I'm going to show you all the sarees on Tasar material. All are very exclusive. The saree number 1, this is a needle shivori, which we call Nui shivori. The shivori work has been done with the needle. Just check the entire look. It's coffee color. Entire look of the saree. All over the saree you will get this type of work. This is the look. I will show you the dripping view and the pallu definitely. All are with silk mark certification. This is saree number 1. Even I am wearing the same saree. This is the palla part. Palla part, all are needle shivori along with a blouse piece. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera, but I can assure you the color is coffee color. This is the look of the saree. Moving to the next one, which is another beautiful saree with blue combination with two colors of blue. Just check. Here comes the palla part. All are needle shivori and the price of these sarees are 7200 with silk mark. You will get a free shipping all over India. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. This is the entire look of the saree. COD is available only within Kolkata. Here comes the palla. It's a contrast palla with contrast blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Enter view of the saree. Moving to the next one, another beautiful color combination. This one is also coffee color, but it's a combination with rust. Just see. This portion is for palla. This portion, all are needle shivori on Gachi Tasar material with silk mark. Just check the color combination of the saree. See, this is the entire look of the saree. It's with orangish rust and chocolate color or coffee color, you can say. This is the look. Entire saree has been made with the needle shivori or Nui shivori. The material is Gachi Tasar with silk mark. Entire view of the saree. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Here comes the palla, and along with the saree you are getting a blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece along with the saree. For booking, take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. COD is available only within Kolkata. This is saree number 4, another one. Another one, this is red color, but in case of Tasar, as you know, it comes very matte look. With a matte look, this is the look of the saree. It is only with the border. Price remains same, 7200. Palla part, and here comes the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the saree. Moving to the next one. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. See, another beautiful saree. Here comes the palla part. I will show you the palla in this way with owl motif. Just check the palla part. This is the palla part. Here comes the body. Entire body. This is the entire body of the saree. I will show you in this way. It's beautifully done. Beautifully done. All are needle shivori on Tasar material. Gachi Tasar with silk mark. You will get the price of this sarees are 7200 and shipping is free all over India. This is the look of the saree. Palla, and here comes the blouse piece. Now I will show you some hand painting on Tasar. On Gachi Tasar you will get this type of hand painting. I have shown in earlier episode also. All are very popular and you people liked it very much, so I made some more. This is the look, just see. Palla part. This portion is for palla. This portion is for palla part. Very neatly drawn. All are hand painting. The base color is slate color or grey color with both side border and palla. With both side border and palla. Price of this saree is 6800. 6800. This is the look. Entire look of the saree. Here comes the palla, and along with the saree you are getting a blouse piece like this. Shipping is free all over India. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. COD is available only within Kolkata. Another one. This is another one. I will show you the palla separately so that you can understand. These all are hand painting on tussar. Free hand painting on tussar. Entire look of the palla. Here comes the full body. This is the full body with this type of motifs. It looks very pretty, very pretty. Very different look. Just see. Check the entire look of the saree. Check the entire look of the saree. Price will remain same. All are with silk mark on Gachi tussar, and shipping is free. Requesting all of you. Here comes the blouse piece. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Another hand painting saree. All are of very different color combination, very different look. See, this is the palla part. Here comes the palla. This portion is for palla. All are hand painted and material is tussar. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please write the feedback. Here comes here is the entire view of the saree. It's of maroon color but very matte look definitely, as the material is tussar. All the tussars are with silk mark. Booking number is 9330866384. See, this is the entire view of the saree. Entire view of the saree. This is the dripping view of the saree. Palla, and along with the saree you are getting a contrast blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece along with the saree. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9330866384. Another beautiful hand painted saree. Palla part. There is no such work in the palla, but the entire body base color is definitely virgin color of tussar with this type of beautiful painting. Just check the color combination of the painting. It's a beautifully done. Price will remain same, 6800. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. Dripping view, and here comes the blouse piece. In this saree also you are getting a contrast color blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Another, before starting the episode, as I told you, all are of tussar material. Today's episode, this is another color. Sorry. This is on black with peach color combination. Which peach color with black combination. See, palla part. Here comes the palla. It's beautifully done. All are tussar material. All are tussar material, hand painting. See, this is the color combination of the saree. This is the entire view of the sari. It's beautifully done. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking. Here comes the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. I will show you the dripping view of the sari. It's beautiful, beautiful. Just amazing. Moving to the next one. I will show you only two pieces of Tasar print. Very exclusive sari I am showing today. All are very exclusive. See. Palla part. This portion. This is Tasar block print. All the saris which I am showing today, all are with silk mark. The color is mauve or purple color, but as you know in Tasar, all the colors looks very matte. This is the look, entire look, very traditional print but with a very nice color combination. Enter view of the sari. This is the enter view of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Booking number is 9330866384. Enter view, and along with this sari you are getting a same color combination blouse piece. Price is 6250. Another one, another Gachi Tasar with block print. This one is also very smart looking sari. Here comes the palla. The stripe portion and is the palla along with the blouse piece. This is the look. Just check. This is the entire look of the sari. It's beautiful. The block is very uncommon, very pretty. See the block. This is the entire view. Price will remain same, 6250. 6250 is the price of the sari. All are Tasar material with hand block print. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. All the saris having are with silk mark. This is the palla, and here comes the blouse piece. In the blouse piece is also striped with this type of border, which make the sari more beautiful and very smart. Just see, with a corporate look. Just check the color combination. This is the entire look. For booking, take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384.